What's happening, people? I'm always asked what was it like in Ukraine. Tonight's the perfect example. 4 to 6 hours every day in some areas. You can hear what sounds like fireworks. The truth is, it's artillery, it's bombs, it's drones, it's people getting injured, people getting killed, people getting shot at, innocent, etc. To top it off, this happens. So when you're walking, there's a mixture of sounds going through your head. Now I can remember walking through a couple of places and I can hear drones in the background and sirens going off, and I won't lie, it's terrifying. You slowly get used to it, but it's a sound that will never ever leave me. And the Ukrainians are the strongest people I've ever met in my life. So have a good bonfire night. Never take life for granted.